Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying the brand new Post Malone Oreos. So let's get into it. Okay. So it has like these little pictures on it. This one kind of looks like a car. So I'm going to taste test it. Okay. It tastes coffee-ish and it has some caramel in it. And it's also signed by him on right here. And these are only here for a limited time, so you have to hurry up and get these, and they're really good. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Bye.